I suppose the loan shark types are more likely to refuse to negotiate. The kind that they used to speak like this, I'm going to make you an offer you can't refuse. Well, those guys are probably not going to be amenable to any sort of negotiations. Generally speaking, it gets back to something I said a little earlier, and that is you have to convince the person on the other side of the table that it's in his best interest to do what you're proposing. So you appeal to the self-interest of the person with whom you're speaking. If you can show that creditor this is the very best you're going to get, they'll probably go along with it. But I will say loan sharks, probably not as easy to deal with. Once you file the bankruptcy, they generally will obey the law. But outside of the law, that's a bit of a problem. Something that's really become a problem of late are what are called MCAs, merchant cash advances. These take the concept of loan shark to an absurd level, and they present themselves as not borrowing money, but instead buying your future profits. This is for businesses. So if you have a small business and you're thinking, gee, I'm a little short on cash, maybe I'll get one of these MCAs, don't do it. Go lie down, let the feeling pass, or maybe become addicted to heroin. It's much safer than getting involved with those people. And the recovery that they get is phenomenal. And it's fairly regular that I get calls from small business owners saying, my business is going under because they take every penny that's going into the till. I can't make a profit. Well, avoid those guys. And those guys are not going to negotiate. And they even put up a pretty big fight in the bankruptcy court as well. So as much as possible, avoid MCAs, merchant cash advances.